children to read as they love English. Easy to read. There are some adventure books also. Here is the collection of Wimpy Kid Diary, and there are 3 of these. Diary of Wimpy Kid. Really interesting. And it has a cabin fever and hard luck and with dog days also. These are my fairy tales collection. As you can see, there is like the tinderbox, and Little Red Riding Hood, Jack and Beanstalk, Jack and the Beanstalk, Marilyn and the Magician, the Princess and the Pea, the Wizard of Oz, and the Raven and the Snake. These are my keyword fairy tale collection. You can learn many new words by pictures, and you can see and read. And if you don't remember them, you can see from here what the words are saying.